Hi and welcome to TextCollector, one of our plugins that we've designed to help artists with their creative functionality inside Photoshop. It basically is what is classed as a text collector. It collects snippets of text, which can be quite large actually, and it then allows you to use them across different images. You may be designing something over 4 or 5 different documents, and you need to have some amount of flexibility with the text you're using crossing over into the different documents. And what TextCollector does is it allows you to collect those snippets like a floating clipboard basically. It sits inside Photoshop and you can have quite a lot. I think it's 50 maximum snippet zones, collated texts, whatever you want to call them, and it functions in the same way that any other text copy clipboard would work. So you can basically just add text placed here, for example. I'm not going to go into details because this is just an introduction. It's got lots of different features that I will explain as we go through the tutorials, but this is TextCollector and it functions inside Photoshop as a way to store different kind of text snippets that may be used through different documents. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.